Hey, look like Cypress mama. Breakfast in bed.
Yeah. Okay.
Man, Shay. Man, Shay.
Thank you.
What he does next in these next couple of weeks.
Tá lá.
Well, we do have some.
Vamos botar esse, tá? Vamos botar esse, tá?
One
Vamos
freeway
botar esse bagulho.
restaurant is offering Rogers and his fiancee
Happy
free
Mother's Day.
burgers
Love you.
and beer for life in 8 days, so we'll see how that goes. Talking
Man,
Lakers,
this soft
Anthony
lit.
Davis, banged up AD on the other side.
Como é que tu ia?
Tem uma manja cheia, mano.